Hello students, I am Mansi with you. So here, today I am going to cover the next chapter of your book, that is The Tale of a Tale. And this story I hope that you all are going to enjoy because this is very interesting story. And this story is written by famous and a very popular author R.K. Narayan. Okay, so ये story किसने लिखी है? This story is written by R.K. Narayan. In this story, R.K. Narayan is going to tell you about Swaminathan. Swaminathan, he is a boy. He's a small boy just like you, as you all are in 5th class. Swaminathan was also in 5th class, who gets very angry with his friends for something. Now something happens, कुछ ऐसी बात हुई. Because of that reason, स्वामीनाथन अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स से बहुत ज़्यादा, जो उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स थे, उनसे वो गुस्सा हो जाता है. So now the question here is he able to solve his problem? क्या वो उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर पाया, or does it lead to another fight? Now this we will read in this chapter. So let us start with the text of this chapter. The Tale of a Tale. When Swaminathan entered the 5th grade classroom, as I have told you that Swaminathan, he was in 5th class. So when he entered in his class, a giggle went to round the benches. Giggle means everyone was laughing silently. ओके मतलब किसी ने अपने फेस को बुक से कवर किया हुआ था, ठीक है. बट एवरी वन, each and every student of class 5th was laughing when Swaminathan entered the class. He walked to his seat hoping that he might not be the cause of the giggling. वो अपनी सीट की तरफ गया एंड ही वॉज हॉपिंग मीन्स इस उम्मीद से दैट एवरी वन इज़ गिगलिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट कि सब लोग हंस रहे हैं. इट माइट बी द पॉसिबल कि कुछ बात हुई हो क्लास में ऐसी कि सभी बच्चे हंस रहे हैं, ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स आर लाफिंग. बट नाउ बस उसके माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन था कि ये सभी मेरी बात पर ना हंस रहे हों. ओके, ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट आई माइट नॉट बी द कॉज ऑफ दिस गिगलिंग. But his classmates continued to laugh. After some time also, his classmates continued to laugh. सब हंसे ही जा रहे थे. He looked at himself and then around the classroom. उसने अपनी तरफ देखा कि कहीं आज मैंने कुछ ड्रेसिंग सेंस में तो कुछ गलत नहीं कर दिया, कहीं मेरा हेयर स्टाइल तो गलत नहीं है. He was thinking so many questions. He was having so many thoughts in his mind that why everyone is laughing. He looked at himself, उसने अपनी आप की तरफ देखा, and then around the classroom. His eyes traveled up the blackboard. Now what he looked at the blackboard, suddenly he looked at the blackboard, उसने blackboard की तरफ देखा, and after that his face turned red. Face red कब हो जाता है? When you are angry. When you are angry with something or you are angry at something, तब भी आप किसी से गुस्सा होते हैं, ठीक है. सो सेम हैपन्स हेयर विद स्वामीनाथन ऑल्सो. व्हेन ही लुक्ड एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड, सडनली हिज फेस टर्न्ड रेड. ऑन द बोर्ड वॉज रिटर्न अ ह्यूज लेटर. ह्यूज मीन्स with big letters, बड़े बड़े letters में लिखा था. and what was written on the blackboard? That was TAIL, tail. I hope you all understand you all know the meaning of tail. As animals have tail, okay, monkey has tail, dog has tail, पूंछ जिसको हम बोलते हैं, okay. So Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and rubbed it off with his hand. Now what happens when he looked at the blackboard? His face turned red, and what he read? blackboard पर क्या लिखा था? The word tail. स्वामीनाथन जल्दी से गया. ही रेन टूवर्ड्स द ब्लैक बोर्ड एंड ही रब्ड इट ऑफ. उसने जल्दी से उसको रब किया जो वर्ड लिखा था, एंड द वर्ड वॉज टेल. ही स्लोली टर्न्ड अराउंड. वो दोबारा से तब उसने ये वर्ड को रब कर दिया ब्लैक बोर्ड से. वो वापस आया अपनी बेंच की तरफ. हिज फ्रेंड Shankar's head was bent over his notebook and P was busy. So now from here we came to know that the best friend of Swaminathan are Shankar and P. So Swaminathan के दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे, शंकर एंड पी. शंकर उस टाइम पर क्या कर रहा था? शंकर्स हेड वॉज बेंट ओवर हिज नोटबुक. उसने अपने फेस को कवर किया हुआ था नोटबुक से. एंड पी वॉज बिजी अनपैकिंग हिज बैग. पी किस चीज़ में बिजी था? ही वॉज अनपैकिंग हिज बैग. अनपैकिंग हिज बैग मीन्स अपना स्कूल में जाकर वो नोटबुक्स वगैरह पीरियड के लिए तैयार हो रहा था और वो नोटबुक्स निकाल रहा था. स्वामी फेल्ट वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड. विदाउट अ वर्ड ही अप्रोच्ड पी. ही डिडंट स्पीक एनी वर्ड. स्वामी ने यहाँ पर कोई वर्ड नहीं बोला. एंड वॉट ही डिड, ही अप्रोच्ड पी. वो पी के पास गया एंड गेव हिम अ फियर्स स्लैप ऑन हिज चिक. मीन्स उसने what he did, what Swaminathan did here, he gave a slap on his cheek. किसके cheek पर? P. P burst into tears and saw that he did not do it. अब P को चांटा लगा था, स्वामी ने उसको मारा था. अचानक से what happens? P burst into tears. आंखों से आंसू आने लगे. And swear, उसने कसम खाई. स्वेयर का मतलब कसम खाना. दैट ही डिड नॉट डू इट. स्वामीनाथन कास्ट अ स्ले लुक एट शंकर. आफ्टर गिविंग स्लैप टू पी, नाउ स्वामीनाथन इज लुकिंग एट शंकर, who was observed in some work, means he was busy in some work. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. It means that Swaminathan slapped P and Shankar. Now let's see what happened. Now here you can see here, he is Swaminathan and P and Shankar, and he gave slap to both of them, and here you can see P is crying also. So now let's see. Soon there was a pandemonium. Shankar, Swaminathan and P rolling over each other, tearing, scratching and kicking one another. So now what happens in class? अब class का scene क्या था? Let's tell me that. Now let me tell you the meaning of pandemonium first. It means a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. Means अब class में क्या था? बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा था. ठीक है, क्यों? Because स्वामीनाथन ने क्या किया था? He slapped P and Shankar. Now everyone was thinking that why Swaminathan has slapped them. Now what they did, Shankar, Swaminathan and P rolling each other and tearing, scratching and kicking one another. अब यहाँ पर इन तीनों में लड़ाई हो जाती है and they were kicking each other. They were scratching, एक दूसरे को scratch कर रहे थे. They were kicking and they were fighting. Okay, so this is the part first. Next part I will cover in next video. Thank you for watching this video.